Are you tired of struggling with unwanted fat accumulation and excess belly fat? In today's digital age, maintaining a healthy weight can be challenging due to various factors such as inactivity and slow metabolism. But don't worry, because John Barban's Javaburn supplement might be exactly the solution you've been looking for. Have you ever found yourself worried about unwanted fat accumulation or struggling to lose weight naturally? If so, Javaburn might be the answer to your problems. Javaburn is not just another common weight loss supplement, it's a powerful powder formula packed with natural ingredients designed to optimize your metabolism and kickstart your body's fat-burning process. With ingredients like green tea extract, chromium, and L-theanine, Javaburn aims not only to help you shed those extra pounds but also to support overall health and well-being. It's normal to have doubts about its effectiveness and safety, especially with so many products on the market. But Javaburn has ingredients that work together to support safe and natural weight loss while providing additional health benefits such as increased energy and improved mood. With a growing base of satisfied customers and positive online reviews, Javaburn has gained recognition as a reliable option for weight loss. One of the great advantages of Javaburn is its convenience and ease of use. Each sachet of Javaburn is a single dose, designed to be added to your morning cup of coffee. Simply open the sachet and pour the contents into your hot coffee cup. Whether you prefer black coffee, cappuccino, or any other type of coffee, Javaburn mixes perfectly, keeping the flavor intact. You'll notice that Javaburn mixes easily without affecting the taste of your drink. In the year 2024, Javaburn continues to be an attractive option for those seeking a safe and effective way to lose weight. With its science-backed formula and thousands of satisfied customers, it's worth considering Javaburn as part of your weight loss journey. Don't hesitate, take the first step towards a healthier and happier you. But be careful, there are various offers on the internet that can cause you problems. There are many reports from customers who have been deceived and received counterfeit products. Therefore, to assist you, I've left the link below to order your supply of Javaburn today, directly from the official website. Be the next to experience the benefits of Javaburn and start your journey to a healthier life today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and follow our channel. This will help this content reach more people who still have doubts or are unaware of the power of Javaburn.